Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Clickbait Motorcycle Garage. On today's episode, we are going to answer the most requested question in this channel's history. That is it dangerous to turn off your bike using the kill switch? Hey guys, just before we get started here, I gotta give a shout out to today's sponsor. That's some VPN company. Now, I don't personally really know what a VPN does, and I don't use one myself, but this is a great opportunity that you guys are going to want to jump on. If you use the promo code in the description, you'll be able to get 20% off your first year of this service, and that's really going to protect you online, which is really important, even though it's really not going to protect you online in any way. So make sure, use that promo code in the description, sign up for the VPN, stop people from snooping on your online stuff, and with that, we're going to hop right into the next video. Before we get started here, I'm going to need to make sure that you are subscribed to this channel so you do not miss a single one of our informative videos teaching you everything you need to know about how to get out on the road. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button right now, and while you're down there, why don't you smash that like button and ring the bell so you don't miss any of our videos straight to your notification. Really helps our channel out. Thanks, guys. Is it dangerous to turn off your bike using the kill switch?
Yeah, it's totally fine. There's no problem with doing it.